As someone who built her own house with her husband in Skamania County, Washington, Representative Marie Gluesenkamp Pérez is an advocate for fixing your own shit, as she put it in an interview with Politico. As co-owner of Dean's Car Care with her husband Dean in Portland, Oregon, Marie also serves as a front woman for trade schools in the federal fight for more funding and awareness.
There is a real cultural shift that I think needs to take place to really get us back to a point where we respect and honor work. The federal government is maybe not the best tool for that, but I think that we have to reflect those values in the legislation that we're passing.
Her set list includes backing legislation that would make Pell Grants available for trade schools. She's also backed legislation that would add information about the trades as a viable career choice on a student's FAFSA application. In addition, she's supported a bill that would help graduates from vocational programs start their own small business, just like her and her husband have done.
Right now, you know, there's like a common savings vehicle is the 529 program, and making you know, trade schools and tools, those kinds of things, accessible through the 529 program also, not just the sort of like academic parts, but also like the trade side, because it's like you really need to put your money where your mouth is, and like if you believe that they're equally valuable, you know, you need to bring it up, and really like matching our investment in academic with investment in CTE. Like I think in Washington State there was a study out that it's like every $1 we spend on CTE in the, you know, K through 12 is reflected. That's like a $9 payout in value to taxpayers. Like it really is one of the best investments you can make.
Aside from the returns trade schools give to a local economy, Marie believes that they can provide a much-needed outlet for young people who may not be as successful as their peers in a traditional academic environment.
Right now, our young men are like dying in incredible numbers from suicide. And I think that a big part of that is like we have, for decades now, told people like, if you're not book smart, you're not smart. And just really denigrated all the other forms of intelligence that are out there, like the spatial genius and mechanical brilliance and like all these other things. And it's like, yeah, you tell people they're not valued for that long, and this is what's gonna happen to your young people. You really need like a 14-year-old taking apart a lawnmower if you wanna have a technician in their 20s. You know, that is the life cycle of a mechanic.